god. Oh, that chord progression. Yeah, boy. Hi Snakies, it's me, Fifi, and I'm back. I'm back again today with another GFRIEND reaction for you guys. And today I'm going to be reacting to two more MVs. Today I'm going to be reacting to Love Whisper and Summer Rain. You guys said that these two sort of were released at a similar time, and they go well together for me to react to them as guys. I can't talk today as a duo, but yeah, I'm super excited. It's been a while since I've dug into a GFRIEND MV. Let's just go. Disclaimer, I don't like to react with captions on as I find them distracting. I like to concentrate on the music, and the music production is what I like to comment on the most. When I'm looking at the words at the bottom of the screen, I'm missing parts of the song, their vocals, and I'm missing parts of the MV and choreo. I'll read the lyrics later in my own time. Okay guys, so we're starting off with GFRIEND, Love Whisper, MV. Let's go! I'm loving this retro feel, sound and visuals. Oh my god. Oh, that chord progression. Oh, the next scene. I love this so much. Oh, that melody. Was that electric guitar? Look, did you hear that? the next one, I feel like that's like snakery. That is snakery because you guys know the exact GFRIEND sounds that I love so much. And that included all of it. Straight away, those synths, you had that lead synth as well that came in. Oh my god, those classic GFRIEND strings, and the beat was very, very like early 90s. Oh my god, a combination of genres. Only GFRIEND, bro. Only GFRIEND. Oh my god, they are so different. Like, their music is so different. I've never heard a song like that before in my life. I'll tell you that now. That song was so unique and so different. And GFRIEND's music was so unique and so different, which is why it hurts so much more and it's so much more annoying that we won't have these songs anymore. But to be honest, I feel like they moved away from this sound anyway, because I did an album first listen for Song of the Sirens, and while I enjoyed the songs, I feel like they weren't this older sound. Obviously it makes sense as time goes by, groups evolve and grow and change. But yeah, this unique sound you can't find it anywhere else. I love that so much. The synths, the melodies, I love the visuals of the MV. That might be my favorite MV. At least one of. I absolutely love the visuals. I don't know, that whole thing, it literally gave me goosebumps. I loved it so much, and I love the choreo as well. Oh my god, let's go on to the next one. Okay guys, so now we have Summer Rain, let's go. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. The choreo on the piano, wow. And back to the 80s, 90s beats. What? The scratching? Ooh. The scratching. That melody. Hello? That progression? Oh, that melody right there. That repeat. Chimes, harmonies. Vocals. Did you hear that? that one as well so much. Again, everything I said for the previous track applies to this one as well. All those sounds that I come and look for from GFRIEND were included. The strings, the orchestral vibes. It also, again, it had that sort of early 90s beat to it. I love the use of the scratching. Like, who would think to have like strings, violins, cellos, along with scratching with a throwback 90s beat with beautiful harmonies, these types of melodies, just a combination. It's like it's an experience. It's an experience and I love it. This is what I love the most about being a reactor and reacting. This is what I want. This is what I want to discover. New sounds, something new, a new experience, because I have to be honest, recently, the last year and this year, when it comes to girl groups, I've been enjoying discovering older songs, don't get me wrong, but the songs that have been released last year and this year from girl groups specifically, I feel like, especially since I'm experiencing the old songs and the new songs at the same time, but there's been a lot of that, you know the sound that I mean, a lot of that 70s discos, 80s synth pop influence stuff, just like GFRIEND's Margot. That's probably my least favorite song of theirs that I've heard so far, however it's the most popular. I feel like these sounds, I've heard them so much. Even the sort of girl crush concepts, it all gets kind of repetitive after a while. And whilst I enjoy those songs, I enjoy those releases, as a reaction, like as an experience, it's just not the same as discovering songs like this. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm going on a bit of a rant right now, but I love both of these songs so much. I kind of just had to get it out there because I look forward to my GFRIEND reactions so much, because I know every single time I'm going to get something experimental, something new, a sound that I have never heard before, and I just absolutely love that. I love both of those so much. My next GFRIEND reaction, I don't know what I should do. I might maybe do some Japanese releases or just finish all the Korean MVs. Let me know what you guys would like to see, not next week, the week after. And yeah, that's it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you have subscribed, I love you. I love you. Go to follow me on Instagram, guys. Go to follow